manipulation, rigged. Maybe you've heard these terms used around the stock market, and maybe that's something that's kind of holding you back or has you a little, I'm not quite sure. But this is where I want to talk about the power of charts and how when you know what you're looking for in a chart, and just really a chart at its basic form is going to expose manipulation. It's going to tell you what the rig is, what the manipulation is. So let's talk about that. I don't want to say this comes up a lot, but it does come up enough every now and then for me to say, you know what, Clay, I got to just do a video on this. So again, I have a link that I can send these people where it really just explains manipulation, the market's being rigged, and why there's nothing that you should really fear as a trader. So just to give you a couple quick examples of this, I want to go over one that was an email I got, and the other one was just a YouTube comment. So this person says, "Hi Clay, maybe I am thinking too much, but is there some ways that movements are manipulated by unscrumptious brokers or software folks? Thanks for your reply as well. You are doing a very good job. I have a question for you as well. How can we compete in market? Because as you know, big firms are using high frequency trading methods like a man versus supercomputer." That second YouTube comment also brings up, the very valid point. Oh, it's all just high frequency trading. It's supercomputers. They're manipulating, they're rigging things. It's just all a big mess out there. So I want to just give you a little quiz and let's see if you can maybe figure out what's going on here. So here we have, this can be either, an evil broker, evil person, or it can be a supercomputer, right? So high frequency trading. That's what's going on. We have a couple different situations here. So they're having some meeting, okay? They are planning to manipulate. They are writing computer code that's going to, they're going to manipulate the market. Now, you or me, at this point in time, I'm not going to tell you what their plan is. I'm just going to show you a few things. So right here, this is $10, okay? That's what that represents. So let's just say that something like this occurs. Now there's no way for you to know for sure, but as you saw me do that, any idea what the manipulation may be? Any idea what the computer program may be designed to do? Maybe you're saying, well, yeah, it's being manipulated up there at $10 because Clay, I mean, no offense, dude, but I can count. And not once, not twice, but 4 times, as soon as the price hit $10, back down it went. Now again, is that actual manipulation? Is that some evil, broker? Is that some sort of evil supercomputer? A chart's not going to tell you that, but it's going to tell you that something is going on around $10. But let's say that this actually was the case, that for whatever reason, whenever the stock gets up to $10, sell, sell, sell. Or, type it in the computer program, whenever this, stock gets up to $10, sell, sell, sell. Well, the chart just exposed whatever that manipulation was. How did the chart expose it? Well, this is all what we would call price action, right? We were just simply watching what was happening with the price. And again, I'm not going to insult your intelligence. I would assume everybody took observation that when the price got up to $10, it got rejected back down. Again, that is called price action. And one of the core components of charting is guess. Can you guess what one of the core components is? I bet it's price action. Good guess. Price action is one of the core components of a chart. The other being volume. And volume is important too in many other aspects, but as far as manipulation is concerned, yeah, a plan is going to be geared around what to manipulate? The price. A program is going to be geared around what? It's going to be geared around price. And that's what a chart focuses on, price action. So that's why I'm a big believer. That's why I teach. That's why I use charts, because, a program manipulation, they can hide. They can cook the books. They can make a company look a lot more valuable than what they are. They can, accountants can get very, very tricky. But you can't hide from a chart. You can't hide from price action. A price action is going to tell you what you're actually doing, what is actually going on. And if there is some sort of manipulation, in this case, again, we're just pretending it's sell, sell, sell when it gets to $10, well, the chart is going to show that over and over again because you're just going to see the price action go up to $10 and get rejected down. So to these people wondering, oh, but how do you deal with manipulation? Learn a chart. Deal with it. Once you know what's going on, you can put trade plans together with it. What could you do? Well, you could say, well, you know what? I'm going to buy below 10, and this is very simplistic, but I'm going to buy below 10, and when it gets up near 10, so maybe I'll sell it like $9.95 because it actually hits 10. So I want to just get a little bit in there ahead of time at $9.95. So you can now start to put together trade plans around what is going on in the market. Again, is a chart going to tell you, is there some sort of indicator out there that says, yep, this is manipulation, yep, this is, no, nothing's going to tell you that. It's just going to tell you what is going on. And if the cause of this is manipulation, well, the chart has exposed whatever the riggedness of the circumstances are. So learn charts. I'd be happy to teach you. I do offer courses, but if you want to go another path, that's fine by me. You do what you feel most comfortable with. But I think this whole situation, these questions that are thrown my way, really present a strong case for why you should be learning charts. If you are out there trading alone currently and maybe are in the market looking for a community to join to assist you in your trading or to just help you, give you another set of eyeballs, then I do have a private trading community where you can trade alongside me and other experienced traders. So what you see popping up on the screen right now is both an information link. So if you click on the inner circle one, that is going to take you to the page where I explain all the details of what exactly come with the community, both the chat room and the newsletter. And then the other image that has popped up is a behind the scenes tour where you can see exactly what is going to be contained within the community. I take you through, like I said, a behind the scenes tour of everything, and that way you'll know precisely what you are getting when you join. So definitely check that stuff out if you are interested and thinking about wanting to join a community, and let me know if you have any questions.